Welcome to day 6 of our Excel series. Today, we'll explore more keyboard shortcuts that make your work faster and more efficient. Shortcuts you'll learn today. Ctrl X, cut. Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl Z, undo. Ctrl Y, redo. Ctrl F, find any word or number. Ctrl T, convert data into a table. Ctrl ++, zoom in and out. Ctrl Shift++, insert a new row or column. Ctrl X, cut and paste. First up, Ctrl X is used to cut selected data. Once you cut it, go to the new cell and press Ctrl V to paste it. It's great for moving data around. Ctrl Z, undo, and Ctrl Y, redo. Made a mistake? Just press Ctrl Z to undo the last action. And if you change your mind, press Ctrl Y to redo it. Ctrl F, find. Need to find something quickly? Press Ctrl F. Type the word or number you're looking for, and Excel will highlight it in your sheet. Ctrl Shift+T, open table view. Ctrl Shift+T reopens tabs in browsers. Ctrl ++/-, zoom in/out. Want to zoom in? Press Ctrl and plus. To zoom out, press Ctrl and. These shortcuts adjust the zoom level of your sheet instantly. Ctrl Shift++, insert row/column. To quickly insert a new row or column, select a cell and press Ctrl Shift++ symbol. A new row or column will appear right before your selection. Practice these shortcuts daily and you'll notice a big boost in your speed and confidence using Excel. That's all for day 6. In the next video, we'll move into Excel math functions, like sum, average, and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.